Hello creative friends, it's Melina here and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to make some watercolor Christmas cards and I start to place my watercolor paper into my stamping platform and I use my winter berries stamp set and stamp one of the branches or plants onto all my cards. Then I choose one of my birds from the sketched birds and branches stamp set and decide where on that little branch the bird fits the best. And then I stamp that onto my 3 cards. On a separate piece of watercolor paper I stamp the bird 3 times so I later can cut them out. It was a long time since I played with my watercolors and I took my Winsor & Newton watercolors out and I start to color in the birds. Just some gray, white and red tones. The stamp sets are available in my online store and I'll leave a link in the description box. Now I continue working on the backgrounds. When everything is dry, I cut out my birds and glue them in place, and I glue down my card panels onto some black card and stamp a Merry Christmas sentiment, God Jul. And that was all for today. I hope you enjoyed watching, and please like and subscribe if you did, and I hope to see you back on my channel soon again. Bye for now.